fight on a mountain range. Told my feet to bread and let's go, I wanna go all the way to the horizon. I took a drink out the ocean and I'm treating water there before I drown. Let's dive, I wanna dive to the bottom of the ocean. I took a ride, I wouldn't go there without you. Let's take a ride, I wouldn't leave here without you. I am a mountain, I am the sea. You can't take that away from me. I am a mountain, I am the sea. You can't take that away from me. 'Cause you tear us apart with all the things you don't like. You can't understand that I won't leave till we finish here. And then you find out where it all went wrong. I wrote a note to the jungle and they rolled me back, but I was never grabbed. King of the jungle, so there's an end to my horizon. I took a ride, I wouldn't go there without you. Let's take a ride, I wouldn't leave here without you. I am a mountain, I am the sea. You can't take that away from me. I am a mountain, I am the sea. You tear us apart.
Okay, so here we are with, present yourself.
Yes, I'm Seba, I'm from Germany.
What do you think about this experience?
Oh, so
How it has been?
my legs hurt, my feet hurt, my back hurts, but it's great. I mean, look at the landscape. We're just...
You don't regret about it? Be honest.
I wish I could tell you more, but there's no breathless.
Okay, say bye, Esteban.
Bye!
I am the sea. You tear us apart with all the things you don't like. You can't understand that I won't leave till we finish here. And then you find out where it all went wrong.
Okay, so we are in TTC. We are with this guy. Present yourself.
I'm John.
From where is John?
I'm from Germany.
And this other guy.
Hey,
What is your name and where are you coming from?
my name is Pedro and I come from Bolivia.
Oh, okay, interesting. So, how can you describe this experience, man?
It's painful.
Painful. And you, John, from Bolivia?
It's like The Walking Dead. I'm dead, but I'm walking.
Interesting.
Nothing lasts forever except you and me. 'Cause you are my mountain, you are my sea. Love can last forever between you and me. You are my mountain, you are my sea. I am a mountain, I am the sea. You can't take that away from me. I am a mountain, I am...
Wait, is this my hair? Is my hair
It's
good?
so beautiful.
Is
It's so
my hair good?
beautiful.
I'm beautiful. I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are with.
We was Felix from Germany, Bonn. It's close to Cologne, very cool city, old capital. And we have here this marvelous sleeping place which allowed us to rest for this night after this tedious walk. And I think especially Pablo, Petro from Bolivia was very happy about resting here. because otherwise I think you couldn't have made a step further. So good that we have this place.
I am a mountain, I am the sea.
Okay, we are with.
Hey, I'm Henry from Germany and France, and I'm preparing breakfast. And this is typical German breakfast, which is bread. And we even brought some extras. And it's the best we can do. And we're gonna survive.
Yeah.
Understand that I won't leave till we finish here. I can't find out where it all went wrong. Nothing lasts forever except you and me. 'Cause you are my mountain, you are my sea. Nothing can last forever between you and me. You are my mountain, you are my sea. I am a mountain, I am the sea. Can't take that away from me. I am a mountain, I am the sea. So you tear us apart with all the things you don't like. You can understand that I won't leave till we finish here. And then you find out where it all went wrong. Nothing lasts forever except you and me. 'Cause you are my mountain, you are my sea. Nothing can last forever between you and me. You are my mountain, you are my sea. I am a mountain, I am the sea. Can't take that away from me. I am a mountain, I am the sea. I am a mountain, I am
Okay,
the sea.
so we were near to Titisee. It's like 30 kilometers from Frankfurt. And the thing is, like, we were really tired, so we start doing like this. You know the name of this? Yeah. So we stayed there like 10 minutes, and then something really good happened. And this is really good. So you wanna say your name and where you coming?
Hello, I'm Daniela.
Where are you coming from?
Germany.
Germany. Yay!
Yeah.
I am Peter
Peter from
Amsterdam.
Hey! So thank you so much for help us and be part of this experience. Yay! Okay, so now we arrived thanks to these guys. It's so nice, man. Like we were doing this and they help us. So thank you. And like okay, I can finish and conclude to this trip. It was called Real Hike. I mean, it was really painful, like physical painful. It was my first hike. I don't know how I did it, but I finished. So it's nice. It was so hard resilience to me, like because at some point you think, oh no, I cannot walk more, and then you keep walking, and then you finish. And so it's so nice, like the things that we propose and then we achieve are really satisfactory or satisfy really so much. So yeah, so see you next week. And yeah, thanks for watching.